Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV app. You will click on settings and you will enter. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will search about the application of Pluto TV and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support